everyone, this side Sneha Srivastava back again. So today I have got super excited opportunity for all the students out there. So if you ever dream of working or doing internship with the top IITs of India, then this video is just for you all. I'm talking about the winter internship program 2025 at IIT Bhubaneswar. Our section 1 deal with who can apply in this. The students who are pursuing their BTech, MTech, MSc, BSc or even the humanities or the management, these students can apply in this. And also this is the golden opportunity for all the students who are wanted to gain hand-on experience in the research field. So IIT Bhubaneswar gives you this opportunity. Section 2 we are going to deal with field we can apply in. So I'm going to read out what are the fields which are opening because there are so many. So the first one is School of Basic Science, the second is Infrastructure, the third is Earth, Ocean and Climate Science, the fourth one is the Electrical and Computer Science, Mechanical Science, the Humanities and Social Science and Management, and then Minerals and Materials Engineers. So pretty diverse, right? So according to your field, choose one, select one and apply it. So our section 3 deal with important dates and duration. So important dates and durations include what are the openings date. So the opening date on already opened on the 6th October 2025 and the closing date is, or the last date we can say to apply in this is the 6th November. This is the 3 to 4 week internship. So you apply till the 6th November or before the 6th November. So our section 4 deal with how to apply. So I provide you the link, go through the link and then apply. Section 5 deal with the selection process. What are the selection process? So the first, all the department heads, the respected department heads take the interview of the selected students and after that they will move forward with the selection committee will take the interview the students who are selected in the first round. So this is the criteria in which the students are evaluated and get selected into the IIT Bhubaneswar or for this internship. Section 6 deal with accommodation and fellowship. So in accommodation and fellowship, the students who are get selected into the final round, they will call and they will get the hostel or accommodation in the in their at IIT Bhubaneswar, and also they will get some amount of basic payment as a fellowship or they will get access to the free internet, library and etc. Closing with the final words. So what are you all waiting for? Check out the link, go and apply it and gain the valuable insight. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and also subscribe the button for getting the opportunity or notification like this and the notification of our channel. I am Sneha Srivastava. Wish you all the best for applying in the IIT journey and congrats in advance for get selected into this. So I am signing off. Thank you so much for watching and keep watching and keep learning new things. So bye bye.